Welcome back guys, we are back again with another unboxing video, and in this video we are going to unbox a budget VR with its review. So we are going to unbox the Zeb VR. So welcome to Rejuvenating Tech, let's begin. So guys, this is the box of Zeb VR, and it is the top part, and here you get a handle to carry this. At the front you will find virtual reality headset written here and Zeb VR, and here you will find Zebronics branding, and here you will find a picture of Zebronics, and here some specifications are written with extra soft contact pads. We will check it later. And at the sides you will find Zebronic branding. At the back you will find features, functions, specifications. So let's see the functions. You can experience the immersive VR games, you can enjoy 3D movies, you can view 360-degree panoramic view, live games, videos and images. So a point to be noted here that if your phone doesn't have a gyroscope sensor, then you can't watch 360 degrees video and images. So make sure that your phone has a gyroscope sensor, or this product will be waste for you. There are specification 6-inch biggest size. So that's the biggest size, that screen size that this VR can hold is 6-inch, and the size range is from 4.5 to 6 inches. So if your phone has below 4.5 inch screen or higher than 6-inch screen, then your phone is not compatible with this VR. And regarding the pricing, the marked price, let me focus, yeah, the marked price here is 1600 rupees, but you will find this VR between 700 to 800 rupees, because the price of this VR keeps on fluctuating. So I will add the best buy link in the description. So let's unbox this VR. And at the top you will find the VR packed in a plastic. So let's keep the VR to side and see what's more in. And the other thing you will find is a user manual. So there is no microfiber cleaning cloth included in the box, so it is very sad to see, because you are spending 7 to 800 rupees and you are not getting that. But in my opinion, I think it would be a best VR in 700 or 800 rupees. We will see in the review, which is in the next part of the video. So let's see. And here is the QR code you need to make the Google Cardboard app compatible with this VR. I will add the link of Google Cardboard app in the description. So now let's bring the VR headset itself. So let's remove this plastic, and this is Zeb VR. It is made up of hard plastic, and this strap is of nylon and stretchable, and these are the contact points where you will put it on the face, so it is quite soft. Now these are the lens, and you can adjust the distance by this dial. So when you will move this dial here, when you will move this dial, the distance will be adjusted according to your eye. You can see. Now at the front you will get these vents here. I think these vents are for speaker output. Here is Zebronics branding, and these sides, I think it's for the place from where your headphone jack wires goes. Now let's see where to keep the phone. You have to open this to keep your phone. Here this is foam, so if you will keep your foam, it will hold it tightly, and here you will find a magnet, and here a metal thing, so you if you will press, the box will automatically lock VR. So let's try to keep in the phone and see. So this is the phone with cover, and let's place it, and oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, so it has been locked and it has hold it firmly. So now this is the place where you can adjust the distance between your eye and your screen, and this is producing a weird noise which I am not liking now. So the grip is tight, so it will not, the phone, your phone will not fall off. So at the bottom you will get inbuilt magnetic trigger, so it is nice, you don't need to buy a magnetic trigger, you get a magnetic trigger built in. This will be used to perform actions in your cardboard app. And the other thing is that this is removable. It is removable, so you can use camera related apps, and it may be for speaker vent. And I showed you the place where, from where you can pass your headphone wires. So it is like this. So if you will put your headphone here in headphones, so you can use it with your headphones or earphones. So let's check it how this feels after wearing. So guys, I was using this VR from past few days, and I will share you my opinions about this VR. So the first thing is that these straps you see are adjustable to match your head size. If you have a large head or a small head, you can adjust your fit. The next thing is that this VR feels very light, but when you will wear it, then you will feel some pressure exerted here. This is I was not expecting this, but it happened. The other thing is that the other good thing is that when you will put your phone into this VR, then and then when you will wear, you will not feel any extra force. The force which was applied earlier when it was empty, you will feel that same force. And the other thing is that it is very good in this, that you get the whole customizable option to expand the focal distance and interpupillary distance. So I liked this feature. And another thing is that you get this magnetic trigger, and it works quite fine. And the only complaint with this VR I have is that this exert pressure which I was not expecting. And the other thing is that the lens is not so much good. It is decent, but it is not very good or good enough. So when you will watch anything in this VR, after 15 to 30 minutes your eyes will pain. So it happens when you wear the VR, but I was expecting a good quality lens. The lens which is used in this VR are decent but not great. So I think this VR offers a lot in its price. If you are able to buy this VR in 700 to 800 rupees, then I think it would be the best choice. But it is not uh, it should be not sold for 1600 rupees. You will find the best buy link of this VR in the description given below. And if you like the video, please hit like that like button. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please hit that red subscribe button, and for suggestion and query, please comment it below. Thank you for watching Rejuvenating Tech.